Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are back from our holiday vacation, but I didn't have the foresight to make a 2022 recap video, so we are doing that today. Hopefully this will be a minimally edited video and kind of like a house tour where we show all the changes we made over the year. We love our washer and dryer. The original hoses it came with were leaking, so we had to update those now, and they are working great. This storage rack was from my parents when we moved out. I have some auto detailing car wash stuff up top with oil change stuff in the middle, some tire rotation stuff on the bottom. I love my little shop stool here on caster wheels with a little bit of storage space made from scrap plywood. Same thing with this custom storage shelf over here made from old closet doors that we didn't want with scrap wood, and it held all the tools I needed at the time, but probably need to make another one because we're accumulating more tools pretty quickly. We love our automatic garage door. So thankful and grateful we no longer have to manually open the garage door. We have our Tesla charger over there. The front yard is a work in progress still. The sheet mulching is at least working. The grass is not growing through all of that as quickly, but the whole landscape job is still not close to being done. The rain collection is going pretty well. We love the look of the rain chain, and the mosquito netting is keeping the water pretty clean. This was the barrel with the broken spigot, so I had to replace that one. Let's head back into the garage to see if there's any projects that we've missed. Oh, we got my green woodworking journey. First time carving a spoon blanks that are getting way too dry, axe block, and my diamond stone sharpening station. The side of the garage is most of my wife's succulents. They are all growing so well, and hopefully we can get them moved into the front yard sooner than later. The catio is still up and standing, but they keep climbing on this and it's getting a little loose, so I should probably reinforce that sooner than later. Same thing with our gardening tools. We are getting more than anticipated. The rainwater storage is having the same problem. We have too much water. I thought these 55 gallons would be enough, but they are clearly not. The adapter is holding pretty well. We love our raised garden beds, but all of our produce died because California was in a drought last year and we can only water twice a week. So the rainwater will hopefully get us some good fruits and vegetables next year. The garden hose holder is still really ugly, but we love our air conditioning. It kept us very comfortable in the summertime. The fire pit is no longer in use because we got to comment the zinc may be poisonous. And the main part is all these pieces of tree that I want to use for future projects. I don't know what to do here for now. I had a easy up tent that blew away and a vertical chainsaw mill that didn't work very well that I repurposed into this dragon fruit trellis for my wife. My plan for this is to move everything over there and tarp it. Let's head inside to see all of the changes we have indoors. The Adirondack chairs we moved inside because we have no furniture. But one of our good friends did give us these beautiful pieces of furniture, so the Adirondack chairs will go outside soon. The Mills bow is still up and running. It is looking beautiful. The Christmas tree and our holiday decorations with our party from the Friendsgiving. We did a Hot Ones challenge for the 1-year anniversary of the YouTube channel. We got a fridge. We love our refrigerator. The IKEA hack kitchen island had to do a repair. The pot holders. The hall tree here is something I use every day to put on my shoes. The new front door with door trim that I still need to caulk and paint. The rest of the house starts with our office. We have matching chairs and standing desks. The cable management looks pretty good on my side, but we might have to update my wife's side a little bit. I learned how to do the Cricut. Next room is our guest room where we're currently sleeping. The new cat stand is in here. We painted the room a light purple. I made the nightstand and the bed frame. Here is one of the cat perches. We are using IKEA Mills bow. Those are the only 2 rooms that are doing pretty well. This 3rd room is storage. Hopefully will be a nursery. We still need to paint. These doors close nicely now. I added those magnets. The guest bathroom has the same shower curtain and the same shower head. Now to the main project of 2023. The master bedroom is a huge mess, mostly storage for now, but this will be the main thing I start tackling. Our master bathroom remodel will hopefully start soon. Video number 113 done.